Just for kicks and giggles, I came out to see if the pots survived. There was a huge rainstorm, like literally the night we were packing up and leaving out of here, you know, we left out that way. Surprisingly enough, one out of the 2 pots was the only one that anybody touched. The other 2 are perfectly fine, like this one, still there, still intact, no cracks. I mean, there was a huge rainstorm. I'm actually really surprised that that one even lasted. And I found this. I was like, where is that thing? Just laying over there. The other pot that got touched, it's still intact. Should be fine. We'll just be a lot more cautious about where we put them. Gotta look harder, I guess. So here we are. Test this thing out. See if it's good for mountain biking. Probably gonna freaking fly off. Snuck out here to check on the pots without marking them. I bet they're jealous. This thing's working pretty good. We're gonna test a drop. Just gonna angle that a little bit. Also, don't do this at home. Whoa. Looks like my camera fell. But it didn't come off, so that's good. Quickly figured out it can't handle the big drops, but that's okay. This shouldn't be riding without a helmet anyways. Okay, here's the rest of the trail. Dragged a cart with a pottery wheel through here. Looking back, I'm like, how did we freaking make it? This is crazy. Right around the corner, we go check in that pot up there. Yeah, it looks like it's still intact. No way. Okay, this is interesting. It's like a little animal got in there. Easy in there? No? Nothing? Well, I hope they didn't see me. I think they're fine. We'll just keep riding.